Make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on bell notifications, and when you're done doing that, comment down on my latest video saying I subscribed, and I will make a video reacting to your videos. Hey Alives, I'm FiveAlive, and today I'm going to be doing another reaction video. This time I'm going to be reacting to SML short Jeffy Has Hiccups by Super Mario Logan. Now Super Mario Logan is very funny and hilarious. And they made another Jeffy video. I'm kind of getting tired of the Jeffy videos, even though that they're very hilarious. But anyways, let's get into this video.
Hey, Daddy. Jeffy, what do you want? I was wondering if I could go in the bathroom and have my pee-pee in the toilet seat. Jeffy, you have the hiccups.
He has a lot of
hiccups. Why? I don't know. They just come randomly, but they're really annoying. I hate them. Jay, stop doing that.
It actually sounds like real hiccups, guys.
Well, then go over there and do it. I don't want to hear them.
Oh, okay. And of course he's still there.
Okay, we have to get rid of those hiccups. Just hold your breath for a really long time. Hold my breath? Yeah, just hold your breath. It'll make them go away. Just hold your breath until you can't breathe anymore. Keep holding your breath. Just keep holding your breath.
Okay.
Oh, okay, you breathe. Jay, breathe. You can breathe.
No, Jeffy!
Oh no.
Realize Jeffy.
Wait, what? No, that's not real. No, that's not real. No, I'm not falling for it. Wait.
That can't happen. That can't happen.
Wait, what? What the heck was that? No, we have to replay that. What in the hell was that? He's dead. No, watch this. Watch this. What the fuck was that? Oh my gosh. That was so weird. Yeah, I knew that was fake. I knew that was just a joke. They wouldn't do that. They would not do that.
Okay, that's it. I'm gonna call a doctor, and he's gonna help get rid of
I
those
just
colors.
knew it. I just knew it.
Okay, Daddy. My son has hiccups.
You call the doctor for hiccups?
I never saw them
Are you
do
kidding
that
me? I could be
before.
doing surgery right now. I could be saving lives, not helping a kid
Yeah,
with
exactly.
hiccups.
Is the point? Why would you?
Stop hitting me.
Seriously?
He has hiccups, and I want him gone. What can we do?
Well, I don't know. I'm not a hiccup specialist.
What? There's a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I know one.
Oh.
Well, can you call him? I really need him.
Okay, yeah, sure, I'll call him. Hey there, I'm the hiccup specialist. It's me.
Okay, it's still him. Of course it is. Of course it's still him.
Hiccup school.
What, are your parents proud of that?
No, they are not.
Why did you hit him?
Hiccups.
Well, first I'm gonna have to take a look at Jeffy and see how bad these hiccups are.
Okay.
Okay, open your mouth,
He's like
Jeffy.
hiccup
Say,
like every 2
Really
seconds.
get up in there. Smells like pepperonis. Yeah, it's a really bad case of hiccups.
Well, how do you get rid of them?
Well, usually in a case like this, we have to scare them. It's a part of a 7-stage process. So basically, we're gonna have to boom. Yeah, that didn't work.
Yeah.
All right. Well, if that didn't work, I guess the only thing we gotta do now is boom. No, not
All I
quite.
think we gotta do
I'm
now
gonna
is
have to go out to
boom.
my car and get a few things.
Okay.
Boom. Oh man, this kid's got nerves of steel.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. What's
There's a
stage 2?
steel.
All right. Well,
Actually, I
stage
think
2
I've
is
heard that
basically
before.
All right, that's not working. Come on, follow me. Boom! Back up!
Oh, come on.
Yes,
The heck?
All right.
Jeffy, come on.
Okay, stage 2 is the balloon effect. Jeffy, take that balloon and hold it.
He's gonna
Okay, you like that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah, I like your balloon.
Boom! Oh man, I really thought that was gonna work.
I thought he was gonna
All
pop the
okay,
balloon.
stage 2 for real this time. You like that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah.
He's gonna pop this. I told you.
All right, on to stage 3.
I thought you'd be scared of the pop.
All right, so stage 3 is the angry drunk dad coming home from work stage. It scares the kids every time.
Wait, what?
Sharon, where's my dinner? Sharon,
Really?
I get laid off at work today, Sharon.
Oh my gosh!
What is this? Soggy cookie crisp for dinner again, Sharon? That's not healthy.
Oh my gosh!
So I can yell at.
Jeez.
So make me get the mask. Boo! Yeah.
How did they get on that fast? No, they just have another
Did that
pop.
work?
They can't just do it that fast.
All right.
I don't think
on to
that's
stage
possible.
4. All right. So stage 4 is
Okay.
the apple on the head stage.
Apple on the head stage.
Yeah, it's where we put an apple on Jeffy's head and we shoot it off with a crossbow.
Oh, a crossbow?
Yeah.
Isn't
The
that
heck was he William
Dangerous,
Tell?
it's why it's
Oh wait,
scary.
that's a bow
What happens if you
arrow.
miss?
Well, if I
Okay,
miss, the
yeah.
arrow goes through Jeffy's head and he dies instantly. But if I hit the apple, it'll be awesome.
Okay.
No,
All right, let me go get my goggles.
Really?
Boom! Man, I'm gonna get him eventually. All right, let's do this.
Okay.
You're probably. Oh my gosh,
let's
are they
shoot
gonna
this
show
in.
like that
Okay,
death of
Jeffy, are
Jeffy
you
again? Because
ready?
I swear if they do that,
Alright.
they
Yeah,
better
he's
not
ready.
show that
Okay.
death of Jeffy
3,
again.
2,
If they, oh my
1.
gosh, I swear if they do that again.
Jeffy, are you okay? Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, he still has hiccups.
Well, he may still have hiccups, but look at that shot! Bullseye!
Well, what are we gonna do about his hiccups?
Yeah, and if you want more bad news, I also put a hole in the wall.
What?
Yeah, okay. On to stage 5.
Whoa! Oh my gosh!
Alright, so at stage 5, we got a bomb here.
We're a bomb?
Yeah, a bomb! And Jeffy has to deactivate it by cutting one of those
Are you
wires.
kidding
and if he cuts
me?
the wrong one, it explodes and we all die.
Well, which wire does he get?
No, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
Yeah, I know, that's why it's scary. We gotta get rid of those
Just
hiccups.
for hiccups!
Jeffy, choose a wire. But then I don't know which one to pick.
Just
They
put the
better not
wire
show
in,
that. Oh
Jeffy.
my gosh, are they gonna show that grape of like all of them? Are they gonna show like the grape of all of them?
What?
Did it work? Did I scare you?
What? Wait, so what's it do?
Why did the bomb go off?
Well, it's not a real bomb. It's just an Apple Watch taped to a firecracker taped to an Xbox power brick.
Oh.
Yeah. Anyway,
I
on
thought
to
it
the
was
next
actually a
one.
real bomb. Well, of course.
All right, so for stage 6, we're gonna push Jeffy out of a plane without a parachute.
What?
Are you kidding
Hopefully the fear of hitting the ground and dying is gonna get rid of his hiccups.
What? You gotta. Oh my gosh, they're gonna show that grave of Jeffy. He's like,
What, the twister mat?
Yeah, you know,
They
twist
better not
up
show
like
that
in one
again.
game.
But
Yeah.
As long as he lands left hand red, we're good.
what?
All right, champ, down you go.
Jeffy, are you okay?
Well, he landed left hand on red, so I'd say that's a win in my book.
But is his hiccups gone?
What? He's still
What do we do
alive.
now?
All right, it's time for stage 7. The worst, most scary thing that
No.
I can think of.
Well, what is that?
Tom.
All right, everybody, put your stuff on
Oh,
the
is he
counter
gonna
and
give
make
him
sure
a
it's
brain
open.
freeze?
Yeah.
That's good. All right, how much I owe you? Okay, let me just get my wallet. What? Wait, where's my wallet?
Wait, what?
I forgot my wallet. I must have left it at home.
That's supposed to scare
no.
Jeffy?
Oh no, how am I gonna pay for all this? We already opened it and I drank my drink, but what are we gonna do? Do you have your wallet?
No, I don't have my wallet.
Oh no! What a scary situation! What? how
Really?
are we
That's not
pay?
gonna help
What do we do?
Jeffy.
How embarrassing! Okay. Well, stage 7 didn't work, and that was the scariest thing I know, so I don't know what to do
Really?
now.
Yeah,
Oh,
we
you
tried
said
all
the
sorts
bomb
of things.
was
So what do we
what's
do now?
scary?
Well,
Or
I hate to
Jeffy
admit this,
jumping
but I
out of a
think
plane
Jeffy
and
has
somehow
incurable hiccups.
surviving?
What, incurable hiccups?
Yeah,
That would
I
like
mean, I don't
definitely
think
give
there's a cure for
him
boom.
hiccups.
All right. I had to try it just one more time. Yeah. I hate to say it, but I think Jeffy's just gonna have hiccups for the rest of his life.
No.
Daddy, I don't want hiccups for the rest of my life.
Get out of here, you stupid fly!
Oh no.
Come on, Daddy, it's not a fly. I know Daddy, but it was really
Oh, I got
scary.
rid of his
It's like
hiccups.
to eat my face.
Wait, Jeffy, I think his hiccups are gone.
Yep, they're
Really?
gone.
Yeah.
Wait, Jeffy, you have
They're
hiccups?
gone.
Oh, I think so. What? I think that fly. It cured his hiccups.
What?
What?
Oh no!
No,
No,
Jeffy.
please don't tell me.
Now Jeffy, I mean, now
All right,
Morpheus
I'm gonna go
has
get the
it.
crossbow. Boom!
Well, how would you scare someone if you had to? How could I scare someone if I had to? I don't know. Maybe I would use that baby mask that I guess Antigua used, and I go boo. I don't know. I just wanted to do something like that. But that was a good video. just like that part, like when like Jeffy died, and then there was like everyone was like unsubscribing. I've never seen that in an SML video. Never. That was. Oh my gosh, that was so hilarious. Let's go back at that.
Part of a 7-stage. Come on, follow me.
Wait. Oh wait, I think it's back here.
Hold your breath. It'll make him go away. Just hold your breath until you can't breathe anymore. Jeffy. Oh no.
See this?
Jeffy, an innocent kid that died because his dad forced him to hold his breath.
See? Oh my gosh. Like, you killed Jeffy, how dare you? I'm unsubscribing. Wait, I just realized that's Tina Turner's profile. That's Chili's profile. Really? That's what they did? Wow. Yeah, it can't happen, but anyways, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.